Hello guys, this is Max the Gamer, and today I'll be showing you the app called Repair Battery. It's available for free on the Play Store. So you search Repair Battery. So this is actually I don't know if it's still available. Yeah, that's the one. Here it is. Repair Battery. It's very interesting, I'm telling you. You need to install the app Repair Battery and open it. After you install that app, you press the start button. It will build the cell map for you. And if I already build the cell map, on the second time you will try to repair your battery, will not build the cell map. In fact, it will automatically start as it's starting right now. Actually, don't mind that. I'm using it, a bit turned because I don't like to while I'm filming a game or review, I don't like to turn my device every time. So I'll just show you. Really sorry for that. It won't take much. 4 minutes, I think. This is a really interesting app I found, and it's really working. You don't need root access for that, and what is much more fascinating, it really repairs it. I've seen the difference. Yeah. Okay, I'll post the video for now if you guys are getting bored, and once it's over I will play it again, as I know it might be boring sitting there and waiting. Okay, the process has been finished and it says no problem were found. The reason why no problems were found on this device because I fixed it a lot back earlier. Okay, I suggest you to keep this app as it's very useful, and run a test on your device, and it will tell you if there are low cells or inactive, or if everything is okay. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channel and comment a lot as you can. Put many comments. Okay, goodbye.